Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is National Test on the Gong. Now, stop the press. We never get this kind of information here in Australia. This is with regard to the full self-driving package. I asked this question of Elon this morning. I said, is there a roadmap for FSD features rollout in Australia? We are still waiting on Navigate on Autopilot and Smart Summon. With proposed price raise on November 1st, can we expect some of these features rolled out before that? And Elon Musk was very kind to reply to me. He said, coming V soon. And I hope that V is a huge very soon. If you're on the fence with regards to full self-driving package for your Model X, Model S or Model 3, now will be a good time to jump in and lock that price in. Right now it costs 8,500 Australian dollars to upgrade. With a proposed increase in price of 1,000 US dollars, we are looking at the very least an increase of 1,500 Australian dollars here in Australia. I think now is a good time to lock that price in. Once again, thank you very much to Elon Musk for replying to my tweet and confirming that FSD features are coming to Australia very soon. This is Tesla and the Gong signing off. Peace.